Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we come up with a new fix for Windows stuck on preparing automatic repair section, and we're going to fix this problem with two parts. One is solution 1 and one is solution 2. Well, for the solution 1, we're going to run the startup repair. So look at this image very carefully. First, look into the first section, get to advanced options. If this screen is stuck, reset your PC. When your Windows logo appears, force shutdown by holding the power button. Do this 2 times. On the third, put automatic repair or recovery screen will appear and it will look something like this. After, you can simply choose the troubleshoot. You can here simply select troubleshoot, then simply select advanced option, then select startup repair, and then let the Windows diagnose. After fixing the startup repair, after the repair complete, your PC will restart. If successful, Windows will boot normally. That is the solution number 1. And now we can simply move forward to the solution 2. If your computer stuck is not fixed with the startup repair, then you can simply open the command prompt by simply go to the advanced option, troubleshoot, advanced option, and open the command prompt with the power of administrative and find your Windows drive. First, type this command into your command disk part, click enter, and then simply type this command and look for the volume for Windows under info. Note this driver later. If it does, then check the disk for errors. Simply type this command and then you can simply see the error. There is any shows up to press Y, then you can simply press Y and enter. If asked to schedule, then restart your PC. And into the repair system file, you have to type this command over here and you will scan and repair corrupted system file, and it will look something like this. And after restart your PC, you can simply see here is the exit option. Simply press exit and choose continue exit with Windows 10 or 11, and you will going to fix the problem. If it's still not fixed, try these options, put into safe mode, uninstall recently installed update or drivers, and system restore and reset the PC. I hope these 2 solutions simply fix your problem and you don't need to worry about anything. So if it does, then simply comment below which one is works, and if it not, then simply comment below too. I'm going to come up with another solution that can help you to fix this problem. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.